Hello students, today you're going to take Cornell notes on understanding fire, which is a type of chemical reaction. Go ahead and set up your notebook, pause the video if it's going too fast, and this is the video that you make questions and then a summary and advanced question at the end. Alright, let's begin. For number one, right, fire is a result of combustion. And combustion just means a rapid exothermic chemical reaction between oxygen and a fuel. For number one, you can write how does combustion work? You can write is fire exothermic or endothermic? So really when you see the flames, really seeing, there's different things you're seeing, but one of the things is energy. The energy you're seeing is through combustion. So you have a fuel, sometimes that's wood, or it could be paper. There's different things that can act as fuel. And then you need oxygen to have this chemical reaction happen. And there's a third thing needed, which is heat. Alright, number two, a fuel. So a fuel is any material that can burn, and it has energy because it has atoms. Anything with atoms has energy. Go ahead and come up with a question for number two, and then we'll move on to number three. Okay, moving on to three. So common fuels, like I just mentioned, are wood, gasoline, natural gas, and paper. A lot of these are called carbon-based. For example, gasoline, natural gas, they're all carbon-based. They have carbon in them. And when they go in that chemical reaction, they release that energy that we see as fire. And as different things burn, you'll see different colors in the flame, which tells you about what the material was composed out of. So go ahead and come up with a question for three. If you're ready, let's move on to the last idea for number four. So the three major things that are required, and there's actually a fourth, but let's focus on the first three. To start and maintain a fire are fuel, oxygen, and heat. When you have those three things, you can have that chemical reaction that we know as fire or combustion. Heat provides that activation energy. Without heat, you don't have things chemically reacting. For example, when you have a match and you light it, you're creating heat as your friction as you go on the sandy side of the box of, let's say, matchsticks. And that heat then starts combusting and starts making a chemical reaction with the fuel and the oxygen. So fire needs heat, fuel, and oxygen to undergo that chemical reaction. Oops. And then once a chemical reaction happens, there's more heat from the actual flames, and then more chemical reactions happen. It's called a chain reaction happens until all the fuel or the oxygen is removed. Okay, go ahead and finish up that number four, and don't forget to write your question for four and the summary and the advanced question. That's it for this video. Go ahead and complete the rest of the steps. Have a great day.